Hey, Omar.
Try to fade it.
What's
I
up?
know
Good
fading has
morning.
been working. Hey, what's up, Rems?
Morning,
Um,
guys.
I know I know fading has been working like really well, but the day we actually start to have like sort of a bear market rip, the fade trade is going to be horrible. On top of that, it's going to feel even worse because you'll realize after the fact how easy it was to just long. It's happened to me before, so uh, okay. That's it for me. Rems, you got any words of wisdom for today?
No, don't do anything stupid. Just wait. Because now there's nothing really to do when ES is up 70.
Yeah, I was saying, watch for the first 15, 30 get bought up, then there's a shot that we rip higher. But if we get like reversals like yesterday, then we'll just see the same action.
I'm personally just gonna um I'm personally just gonna watch um the open, Omar, and go from there.
Yeah, let's see.
See if because I want to make sure this holds and if this holds, then obviously we can trade the upside. But if not, we have to be patient. I just don't want to get stuck in a crazy reversal. But we also have
Yeah,
we
totally.
have the JPM collar that's probably going to be posted sometime around like 2 p.m. Eastern. And we also have end of quarter rebalancing, which is also going to move the markets a bit. So today into tomorrow, I'm pretty much just kind of neutral. I want to see what the market does. What the market does tomorrow, you know, in general.
Mhm.
Today's probably just gonna be one of those days where you just day trade everything, in my opinion. Man, what a rip, huh?
Photonics up a little bit. Market here.
Yeah. These names are obviously right back higher. Yeah, good morning, guys.
DK, SNDK is back to 600 almost. Carvana is so confusing, man. It's already near 300.
Yeah, fuck that shit, dude. I'm live every morning for the most part. This is my second week. I'm away next week on Monday. I'm going somewhere for a week, so I won't be live. But other than that, I plan on being live every morning, guys. All right, guys, less than a minute till open. See what happens.
Let's see.
Yeah, AHR popped back to 34. Issue with this now is I think it has earnings next week. APP already getting sold. A lab back to 100. APP down 7. Too early to tell what's going to happen with this name, but we'll see how this trades later on today.
Microsoft through 365. Let's see if this holds.
Mm-hmm. You still no spreads?
Yep.
Nice, dude.
They're up 56% right now.
Get out.
Gonna try to trim some here soon.
Yeah. Eli Lilly back to 900. TSEM near 170.
So Eli Lilly, man, good cut yesterday.
Yeah.
Scary.
VIX is still like elevated like crazy, man, despite this rip.
Mm.
Light up 25. Cost looks okay. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. All right. Sorry, guys. We're just looking at some stuff. So this is where we're at right now. So as long as ES stays above, SPX stays above 6,400 today, overall, just have to stay. You have to lean bearish. And QQQ above 560.
Dude, Eli Lilly, huge rip now.
Yeah, do they have news?
I don't know, man. That's a big candle though.
What are we at now? Yeah.
910.
Hmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Hey, what's up, guys? No one was long.
Before starting my journey at WGU, I transferred from a community college. It kind of gave me
I got my trim on
foot on
Microsoft.
have as many
Yeah,
classes
dude.
to finish at WGU.
Nice.
So it just gave me that flexibility to be able to do my courses whenever.
Learn more now.
The 15-minute. AOI is getting smoked.
Again?
Yep. So
Interesting.
is AXTI. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.
Dude, this market can rip, man. It's like small dips are starting to get bought up now.
Swinging short USO, yeah. Not bad. This 133, 132 is that first gap we had in USO a few months ago or a few weeks ago when the oil rip really first started. AXP down 5. Circles right on the day here. EWI getting smoked. I don't know, man. I'm not like super. I'm not super convinced. MU is
Yeah, let's see, dude.
MU is right on the day, dude. Dude, what the fuck? Wow, man.
What happened?
MU's red.
Oh, yeah. Dude, when these, I mean, once these like stocks start to turn after like a huge run, it's, it's really hard to see them rip much more. They just have all this like overhead pressure, you know?
Mm-hmm. MU's getting smoked.
SPX at the highs again.
What's SNDK doing?
SNDK.
Like interested to know if they like kill this name too now.
It popped at the open, but
Wow, MU just got
it's
fucking
slower now.
drilled, dude. That's crazy. Something severely wrong with MU.
Yeah, it's getting smoked, dude.
worth even looking at SNDK for the downside. SNDK looks a little stronger.
Yeah.
It's tax refund season, and Bob's is bringing the wow back. Get wow.
TSEM is ripping.
Blade A sectional with pop-up sleeper for just $7.99. Wow. I've even got flexible financing options on feature pack bedrooms and Consumer Reports recommended mattresses.
TSEM. I was gonna say is TSM ripping? It's up
TSM is
pretty nicely,
ripping.
but
Yeah,
that
that
320 call.
So don't forget, your tax refund goes further.
Had a feeling, man.
Discount furniture. Oh my
Got the ape in. Wow, dude, this move on light is crazy.
Mhm.
Oh, it always just moves insane, man.
Yeah. Nice. Marvel is flying. I guess AHR had news.
Yeah, Marvel had
Yeah, Nvidia investors.
yeah. Oh, dude, it's like dead off the open though. Looks a horrible candle.
Yeah.
Yeah, AHR. See if this thing holds. I mean, it could be interesting.
I'm on the 5-minute now on QQQ and SPX. Oops.
Dude,
Nice pop on ES.
yeah, dude, they are buying every small dip. Interesting.
Our rates today, Omar.
TLT, dude, TLT has been holding on fine, man. Like since Friday, really. Wow, bro. Yeah, SPX, dude.
Yeah.
It's getting soaked. 64.30.
Yep. Even QQQ 566 now.
If QQQ pops like 570, this market's gone. It's gonna squeeze.
Mm,
I can bet you there's a ton of people trying to short this right now.
oh
You
yeah.
can just you can just feel it. And it might, it might end up working, right? But if it doesn't, like everyone's gonna get squeezed out.
Mm. Mm. Cost looks interesting.
Yeah. I just pulled it up. It does look really interesting.
The oil to close the month sub 100, a lot of upward pressure on equity today. Yeah, I agree. Jim Cramer says he's all in on Marvel, so time to short. Yeah, probably.
That's funny.
Mm.
It off SPX. Almost at 6450 now.
Mm-hmm. Yep. QQQ 568 almost.
Yeah, this market's squeezing, man.
Mm. Mm. What to do? Tito's QQ Lotto gave 30% in seconds. Yeah, that was a good one. You guys caught that.
That's Tito.
Mm. Yeah, that is my stop. Market just ripping, dude. Oops.
Dude, what is up with Eli? Did Eli Lilly have something? Like, what is this move?
No, I don't know.
Crazy move. Costco kind of failed. Garbage. Crude oil starting to get starting to go a little lower here. Air held up pretty well here.
Mm-hmm.
And huge rip, huge rip.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, we're just ripping. SPX at 6450 almost.
Mm.
QQ cube through yesterday's highs. Yeah, Lily's gone. So is Pfizer. I'm not sure why these names are running. Definitely had some sort of news.
Pfizer, yeah, Tito mentioned it pre-market.
Was there news?
Really interesting. No, he just like showed the chart. Or he was just like, hey, this chart looks interesting.
Yeah.
Of course it like goes.
Mm-mm-mm-mm.
SNDK also ripped now, near 600 again.
Yeah. And the MU held as well. Mm-hmm. Arm looks good. Nice little wick here on E ES.
Yeah. Yeah, I think this might be good. Let's see if we like
No, I haven't opened any
dip a
new
little,
trades today, guys.
see if we maybe like dip a little here and then we could potentially get long soon, but on something like ARM, for example.
TSEM at the highs. AHR at the highs as well. The dip
Eli
is just
Lilly almost
soaked.
near 920.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. These are like the micro dips. Like if you're not in, see you later. This is short. This is short squeezing, like at its finest. Because you know these like shallow dips. You know what they are? They're basically every time we dip a little bit, shorts are just covering because they're like, let me get the fuck out, and then so they
Yeah.
just buy it right back higher.
Mhm. Wow, look what Snorlax just posted.
At 595 call, yeah.
Dude.
They're already coming in ridiculous now. That was funny though. Remember, you know, like yesterday, all that crazy put flow. We're at
Yeah.
the bottom again.
We literally said
like
it.
every-
Some fucking retards
we
are just
said it.
slamming 400 put for August on SPY. I'm like, okay,
Yeah,
time to go long.
yeah, dude. We're definitely bottoming.
Dude, was there Eli Lilly news?
I don't know. I didn't even look it up.
This looks like 1,000 is coming now.
Yeah, crazy move.
Yeah. Oh well.
Let me see. See if anything. They signed an AI-powered drug development deal. That was 2 days ago.
GoDaddy knows growth, so let's grow your business. Start with a domain.
They're acquiring some pharmaceutical company.
Including a standout website that works
Usually
with
that's a
your
bearish.
business. In just minutes, you're up and running. No tech skills required.
Yeah,
With
I don't know. I don't see
GoDaddy's
anything.
built-in AI-powered marketing tools,
Not like a
your
big
business
catalyst.
gets found and reaches more customers when it all works together.
We'll find something. We need 575 on ES. I mean on QQQ. Or like 570,
Yeah.
bro. We get that. We fucking send.
I really think 570 on QQQ. If we start like creeping above that level, you're gonna see a massive squeeze. And you realize like the JPM collar,
Mhm.
64.75. If we start getting above that,
Yeah, it's gonna
like
be.
only 25 points away, dude, we might like you're gonna see like so much buyback
Mhm.
because it's gonna expire 0, and all the market makers be like, all right, I don't got to hedge anymore. And yeah, quarterly rebalancing, dude. There's way too many catalysts today.
Yep.
And if you find like freaking, we got one new like a positive news headline, so it's so over.
Dude, was there news on Eli Lilly? Someone tell me.
I just looked, I like couldn't find anything.
Thank God we covered those puts yesterday, dude.
Yeah, big time, man. There was 0.
Yeah. Nice. Oh well. Oh. Carvana's is about to go right here. Mm-hmm.
Right, here's the first like sort of reasonable dip here in SPX. Let's see how we act.
Mm.
Yeah, Carvana is kind of so weird, man. Market ripped and it like fell apart.
Mm-hmm. If they reverse this today, I'm gonna laugh so hard.
Dude, that'll be devastating.
We sell 100 today, dude. I will laugh.
I mean, we're down, what, this is like almost 20 points now? 15?
15-ish.
Yeah, 15 points. Yeah. Let's see. I think 64.30, 64.25. That's like kind of an obvious area to get to bounce. If we get back to like 6400, I think we're in trouble.
Yeah.
Because that'll be like a 50-point reversal.
Mm-hmm.
Well, good though. I'm happy with my Microsoft. Managed it.
Yeah, because you're up 100 grand today.
Can do whatever it wants.
Down 20 from the highs now.
Yep.
Almost. It's like one of those markets. Like, do you buy the dip on weak names today, or do you short them on the way down? You know,
Yeah.
like Dell was Dell was a leader, down 5 today. I couldn't tell you why. Anyone know why Dell is down? I literally couldn't tell you why.
SMCI. SMCI up. Let's see.
Yeah, let's buy this. Let's buy the scam. Let's buy the
killed.
scam and sell the real company, guys.
This stock got killed. Oh my god, man.
I'm gonna be right back, guys. Use the restroom real quick. Wait a minute, man. I'll be back in a minute.
All right.
Yo, guys, I'll be right back. What it is. Mm. Nice. Tito.
Yeah, those QQQs. They're too cheap, man. Once again. Like, dude, at the money call was for 0DT was 0.2. Like, we literally just talked about if QQQ gets through 570, like,
I cut my
You might see a
APP. I
5 point.
cut these APP puts. So
yeah,
the 300 put, we had 2 trims, and then those moved like 60%, and then this one, the roll up was a fail. Market's too strong. Now we wait. Something should come up. Hmm. Cost got killed
I know, dude.
right at 10:09. That level.
Crazy, man.
Right at 10:09. That's why you don't really like. You don't front run these like levels, dude.
Especially on cost, man. Cost is such a reamer stock, dude.
Yeah. So this 10:09 is like where I would probably consider calls, and then this 10:20 is like.
Ape in.
Yeah, this 10:20 is like 10:20 8 pin calls. Yeah, literally.
SK's PQQ is almost right back to the highs. Dip getting soaked.
Yep. It's a day to buy. It's a day to buy the dip.
Yeah, for sure.
Arm looks fucking crazy, man.
Yeah, it's at the highs. Looks strong. Tech pops here, dude. Can probably quickly go to 150 plus.
Yeah, 152 ish, and then 154. Bro, can you guys please find cheap contracts like PFE? If we see a name, we don't look for those cheap contracts because those names usually don't even move. Pfizer was good today though. I don't know if you're in Discord, but we mentioned it in the watch list this morning. Mm. Yeah, it's not a day to short anything, in my opinion. Tomorrow could be different, but today is not a day for that. These gap ups are tough. Can't really be buying anything like this. But like you said, this isn't the time to short either. Yeah, it's not the time to short. It's really hard to like buy anything here. So your best bet is to look for like intraday dips and then buy the dip. I don't think it's market's different than yesterday, especially into this collar and rebalancing. I don't know what happens tomorrow, but I can tell you for today, I don't think it's worth trying to short this market. Considering, I mean, it's been literally down every day for the last, like, what, 3-4 weeks or more?
Yeah, dude. You can't. Yeah. When the squeeze starts, you cannot.
You don't want to be caught on the wrong side of a squeeze.
That's worse than being caught. Well, arguably worse than being caught.
It is worse. It is worse. Tesla right at that breakout level from September.
Oh yeah.
Some
It's
circle,
interesting.
some circle puts come in and now.
How's Bitcoin today? Actually, we haven't even checked. Green, but not that. It was higher yesterday. It's interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Crypto's so weird, man.
Oh, XBI is flying today.
Is it? Wow.
Biotech is flying.
Wow.
How's Moderna? I wanted to long Moderna last week. Thank God I didn't.
Yeah, it's just chopped everyone up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like Moderna over 55. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah, market's reversing here. Mm. Man, Carvana's so weak, dude.
Yeah. Ah.
Nice arm pop.
Yeah, arm's holding pretty well here.
Mm-hmm. Wow, they're hitting TSM 370 call for June now.
Oh, interesting. What's TSM at now? Let's see. Wow, 328. Man, in weekly buyers paid, dude. How much is he up? 320 call. Dude, they're 14.
Arm
Weren't they
is
6 yesterday?
arm is wicking here a little bit.
Oh wait. Yeah, dude, 5 to 10, man. 5 to 11 on that TSM call.
Mm-hmm. You cut APP? Yeah, I cut my puts this morning. Jesus, man.
Yep.
Market looks horrible now.
Down 25. Oh, goodness. It's kind of a big level from yesterday. This is basically the top opening candle.
Some people just don't get it that Squarespace isn't just for websites. You can get a domain from Squarespace too. It's kind of like how your parents don't get how you make a living off your art.
Yeah, I don't even know if I'm gonna open a trade today. Let's see.
A domain like existentialglitter.com and website from Squarespace.
Oh.
You can build a brand for yourself, grow your client list, and continue to confuse your parents all in one place. Get yours before it's gone with offer code MAKEITREAL
Yeah.
for 10% off your domain or website. Terms and
I
conditions.
think we just see how this market acts here, and then ARM looks good. But obviously, if we reverse, like nothing works as usual. USO kind of pop in here too. Let me check in on news if there's any headlines here.
Bryce, what are you talking about, bro? I read the chat. You asked the same question 8 fucking times. I already said I cut it. Senex looks good, dude.
Yeah. Just pull it up now.
Yeah, this is a full fucking 180 reversal now.
Yep.
Nasty, nasty, nasty work. Yeah, this is like literally trading 101, right? You just sit here half the time and you just wait. I actually wonder if they reverse it today.
Yeah, it's looking like it, man. We'll see. I think these dip buyers seem to like rip it 20 points here to make, to hold it up. But yeah, the more we like creep lower, just the more aggressive the selling's gonna get.
Are you at the desk most of the trading day? Yeah, up until like noonish, and then I'm just on my phone. Just depends how the market is. They're destroying this market now.
Yeah, almost down 50.
We're almost at the opening highs. or at the opening. Mm-hmm.
We're almost at 6,400 now. What's the
Mhm.
point of this open? So dumb, man.
Hilarious, dude. Mm-hmm. Scam market. We're getting scammed, guys.
Absolute scam.
We're getting fucking scammed. Who's on the fucking bid, bro? I'm just laughing because Omar's an idiot, guys. I'm sorry.
Well, this market makes this market is just a meme, man. So many jokes can be made.
Like in Senex a lot, dude.
Yeah. Wow, FPX popped like 20.
Mm-hmm.
This shit's so funny, man. Just when I was starting to get a little bit bearish. Or rip it higher. Xenex was great, man. Like if it could pop through 60, we could literally see 70 this week.
Mm-hmm. Mm. All right, guys, I'm gonna grab some Senex goals here. Mm. Senex looks like it's gonna be one of those squeezer names.
Crazy, man. It's 50 to 60 in the last 2 days.
Mm-hmm.
And then right at all-time high. Or 52-week highs at least.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna squeeze. Like big time.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Oh, guys, I'm sorry, dude. Fucking idiot, man. I said it on stream and then didn't post it.
There's 60, dude.
Mhm.
SPX also popping a little bit here now, back to 6430 area. Decent bounce, man.
Yeah.
Now it looks like we'll squeeze again. Yo.
Nice,
Yeah,
man.
SPX big pop.
There we go. That was like perfectly
Back to
timed with like
speeds.
SPX.
Oh yeah.
That's what I was
Back to
waiting.
squeeze
That's
mode
literally what
on
I was
this
waiting
game.
for, guys. I was waiting for this retest at the opening highs here at like 6,400 ish, and then I literally just I wanted to play this name because it was like the strongest all day. Yeah, we took some Senex calls for April 17th at like 245 ish, 250. I didn't. It's an aluminum name. There's like some aluminum shortage going on, right, because of this war.
hmm
Let's see, could be an interesting short-term trade. Like I don't see this lasting like, you know, a month, but could be a short-term trade. Oh shit. Yeah, this daily looks crazy. This is all-time highs, by the way.
It's coming off a huge base too. It's
Mhm.
perfect.
All-time highs as well. Trump, the war against Iran won't last much longer. Okay.
All right.
Heard that before. Other nations can reopen the Hormuz.
That's
Wh-
crazy, dude. He bagged everyone. That's
Oh yeah,
crazy.
killed everybody. It's not even close.
He closed all their oil supply and then said, and now it's like, see ya. Figure it out. Or buy our oil.
Mm-hmm.
Crazy.
Market's starting to wick off now. Dude, I just don't think the market likes when this guy talks. If I'm
It's just
being
so over.
fucking
It's just-
complete, if I'm being completely
It's just
fucking honest
also
with you.
it's all so uncertain, man. That's the problem. And like market hates uncertainty. That's like the one thing it hates.
Yeah, unfortunately, guys, this is like the market we're in right now. Like, if you're literally not careful where you enter, like for the upside, or where you enter puts for the downside, like you're gonna get smoked. You know, there's times the market, Omar, where like you can just buy it anywhere, right? Like you can buy a name that's up 5% on the day and still get paid. Like now
Yeah,
you have
can
to really be
chase
careful because
everything in it.
yeah, you gotta just really be careful now, guys. You know, do your best to not like FOMO. Like this morning, I came in having puts, because I was short yesterday. Obviously had to cover and had to reassess. It's normal, right? In this kind of market, I think it's okay to like change your mind. In general, it's always okay to change your mind, but definitely, you know, you could be bearish today, bullish tomorrow, bearish the next day, bullish the next day. That's honestly the only way you stay in the game long enough to survive. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. I'm still not like, I'm pretty neutral here, but I'm leaning towards, you know, a dead cat bounce like overall and more bullish unless, you know, we reverse under 6,400 today and like we close hard like weak, then that's different. But as of now, you could see like SPX is just every dip is bought. This was like a, you know, retested the opening drive or the open, and now it's just higher. I think Omar and Tito will agree.
100%, dude.
I change my mind 8 times a day. I might be in calls now and then puts at 3 p.m. Who knows?
Yeah.
That's just how I trade. I don't bag hold. Like, you know, there's stuff that doesn't work, obviously, because you're not going to be right every single day. It's impossible. But, like, I'm okay with cutting something for a loss and then re-entering once it gets, you know, you know, that key level where I think it's going to go higher or lower. Like APP, we caught those 300s for like 60%-ish at the highs. Got 2 trims, the other ones failed. But this one, you know, as soon as it gets back under 370, I'm going to play the short side again. Just for now, there's no point in sitting them. Depending on the Senex does, dude, we might roll higher into the other strikes if we get paid on these 65s.
Oh yeah.
Because this can
Definitely
open, like 65, 66, or not open, but this can run to like 65, 66 next. So that's what I'm looking at. It's not a trade. It's not a name that I trade a lot. I don't think I've ever actually traded this game. So I'm just a bit more cautious, but I do like the setup. I think
It's
anything
popping
over
again, dude.
Yeah, it's popping again. Yeah. Thank you for doing this. Yeah, you got it, guys. Yeah, they gapped it up now, and the volatility. Yeah, patience here will pay. Yeah, of course. I mean, VIX was at 30 yesterday. I mean, just in general, being in puts when VIX is at 30 is always risky, right? Like the market looked weak last night until that news came out. If it were the other way around, and that news, wow, SPX right back near the highs. If that news were the other way around, we would probably open up 100 handles lower this morning. But then it still would have been a buy the dip opportunity. We talked about it yesterday, remember, Omar? That regardless, today was like a long.
Yep.
But my whole thing was I thought we were going to hold down that. I would have preferred the gap down and then into the rip open. I think a lot of people would have preferred that. But, you know, news always comes first. Don't ever forget that.
News moves the market. Yep.
Yeah, BT, you can always get out and get back in. No one is stopping you. Better to take a small loss than a big loss. Always. We're traders. We're not investors. If that makes sense. Yeah, I'm watching like on X somewhere. Like these people just like full porting spy puts today. Some random
Oh, well, there's
accounts.
smoke, right?
Yeah, this guy entered today and he's down 35% in an hour. On yeah,
Dude,
gotta be
the
careful, guys.
combination of Delta and Fix, smoke on puts, man. This is a day to sell puts. You saw how expensive they were at the lows, right?
Yeah,
They were
yeah.
like, it was like 70 out with 7, 0 DT. Guarantee you they're like 1 right now.
Mm. Mhm. Mhm. Mm. Man, tough day, dude. Mm. Hmm. What is this market, bro?
So annoying. 10x, man. We couldn't get a pop through 60 there. Let's see, dude.
Just X down. I literally can't even tweet right now. What a piece of shit, okay, dude.
I'll be right back.
Oh man. Guys, I'm gonna head off stream. There's really nothing else. There's really nothing to do here. just gonna watch from my phone for the rest of the day. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Should be more interesting tomorrow. Later, guys.